What's up guys, this is a new channel named Text Why I'm Broke. Kind of fits me better as I'm wasting my own money to test out new products and hopefully provide you with some insight. In this video, I'll be unboxing a more budget-friendly tablet due to my wife limiting my funds this month. Apparently food and shelter is more important than my electronics. Unreal. This is a 10-inch Android tablet called Plimpton P8 Pro, which runs on Android 13, has 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and it's only $90 buster on Amazon. This is what caught my eye as I was looking for something budget-friendly just to mainly run home assistant setup for my home. And I think this tablet will be perfect for it based on the specs. And having 4.5 star rating on Amazon with over 330 reviews. Alright, so here we have it, the Plimpton P8 Pro. And then additionally, I also have the Plimpton L1. It's a standalone Android Auto unit, which acts as a display. So for vehicles that don't have Android Auto, you buy this thing and connect it up to your phone and it works in your car. So I'll also be unboxing that at some point later on. Alright, so getting started here, it comes in a standard box just with the plastic material wrapped around it. So as you can see, it has all the specs listed on the back of the box. I'm going to go ahead and grab my very sharp kitchen box opener here. Look at that thing dig right in. You see, I shouldn't really be playing with kitchen utensils because of previous issues. See, I used to always get sharp pain in my right eye whenever I drank coffee. And finally, after seeing my doctor, he told me I should probably take the spoon out of the coffee mug. No issues since. You know, just based on this unboxing, it looks like there is multiple layers of security getting into this thing. So that shouldn't really be a concern with this tablet. Alright, so finally getting this thing opened up. Let's see, so we got tablet sitting right up top here. Of course, in another plastic, which it does state, keep away from babies and toddlers. Okay, put that aside. Let's take a quick look what else we got in here. Alright, so it looks like extended warranty card. So, well, that's cool. So you get an additional year of extended warranty if you register it, which I definitely recommend. And then just here, your standard, just user manual. We'll put that back here. And it looks like one other box. And this is going to be the charger itself. We got standard cord, USB-C, and then USB-A plug. And then we got power brick here. So this is just a standard power brick, less than 1 amp of charging power in it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the tablet here. So it looks like on the bottom here we have the 2 speakers. And then we're gonna, on the back, it's a 5 megapixel camera. This thing does actually have a nice premium feel to it. We do have a micro SD card slot as well, so that's not as common nowadays. And then also a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack right on the top there. Alright, so let's get this bad boy started up and set up just so I can see what the home screen looks like there. See what we're working with. Like I said, this is mainly unboxing, so later on down the line when I actually have time to set up my home assistant full setup, I still got to go through that. I'll have more videos on how I'm going to set this tablet up and how I'm going to use it to control the devices inside my house. Alright, so I'm already liking this. Right from the home screen, go through the apps menu and then the drop down menu. You can see it's just your standard Android setup, which I love. There's no bloatware or anything like that like you get on some of the other tablets like the Samsung devices. Many other branded devices like that. So just your basic setup seems pretty responsive, and this is exactly what I was looking for. And the feel and the specs that you get, you can't beat the price. Like I said, $90. I got this right on Amazon. The link will be posted in the description in the video. And look forward to more videos on this device sometime in the future once I have the home assistant setup and see how this is going to function with it, but it's looking promising so far. Like I said, like and share, subscribe, look forward to more videos, and thank you for your time.